Hey, let's talk about your overhead costs. I know, not a fun topic, but it is if you're lowering them. You pay so many bills to keep your business running, and one of your biggest costs is probably energy. If you have an HVAC unit or a walk-in cooler or freezer, those guys require a lot of power and money, but you need them. So what can you do? The answer is actually pretty simple. Make them run more efficiently and use less energy, which will lower your bills and increase your bottom line. And there's an added benefit. You'll also be reducing CO2 emissions, making your business more green. So here's how you can increase efficiency with our two innovative products: Intella HVAC for heating and cooling systems, and Energy Squared for walk-in coolers and freezers. Intella HVAC retrofits on your existing HVAC system and does a couple of things. First, it optimizes the time the fan runs at the end of a compressor cycle, so hot or cold air isn't wasted. Secondly, it cycles the compressor off for 5 of every 25 minutes, allowing the fan to capture the latent energy and circulate that air. What does that mean for you and your costs? Most businesses see a 10 to 30% reduction in kilowatt hours. That usually translates into a return on investment in less than a year. Now, let's talk about your walk-in. The thermometer in there measures the temperature and adjusts as needed, right? But it's measuring the temperature of the air, not the food. Air temperature fluctuates a lot more, so your walk-in is wasting energy. Energy Squared is a device containing a non-toxic, food-safe gel compound with similar thermal properties to food and beverage. It fits on your existing temperature probe and gives a much more accurate reading, reducing your consumption by 15 to 25%. Both products have a lifetime warranty and guaranteed satisfaction. Businesses have saved over $90 million. How's that for ROI? We have a financing program for qualified businesses, and businesses with multiple locations may qualify for a risk-free trial. So what are you waiting for? Contact the person who sent you this video to order your Intella HVAC and Energy Squared today.